Okay, today we're going to talk about force. And the simplest definition for force is a push or a pull. Force is measured in newtons. Okay, and when we're writing the unit newtons, it's just a capital N. We're going to talk about two types of forces today. We're going to talk about balanced forces and then also unbalanced forces. When we talk about balanced forces, those occur when the net force equals zero. Okay, so balanced forces have a net force of zero. Now, remember that net force is the sum of all the forces acting on the object. Okay, when we have a balanced force, that means that no change in motion occurs. So that is no change in speed or direction. That does not mean that the object is at rest. It can mean it's at rest, but it also means that it could be at a constant speed. So if you look at our force diagrams, in this one here, the forces are canceling out because they're going in opposite directions, so you would subtract. So the net force would be zero, so that is balanced forces. In here, they're going in opposite directions, and they are both pulling on the object, so they, once again, it has a net force of zero. Okay, now let's look at unbalanced forces. Unbalanced forces are going to cause a change in motion. So they're going to cause either a change in speed or a change in direction. And that is because the net force does not equal zero. Now, remember when we are calculating net force, forces in the same direction will be added. So you would just add the forces and it goes in the direction of the force. Whereas forces moving in the opposite direction, you must subtract, and then the object will move in the direction of the largest force.